Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kertong jong kaseng Kongres Natura Parliamentary Constituency ubalapun bana bala job hakani ka ganti bamanta jong ka election Lok Sabha Saleng Sangma ulaong baga jing job jong ikani ka election kadai nakabor Jingduwai jong shimet yakini Saleng ulapun sengo habaya kran bat kilat pathai kubor matakasngi ka saw tarik jeliu araja arpusaw hadin bala dap nyo vote bat haba jubab yaki jingkali lakan dan em ka jingkala hadin bun shimti kumu MP ka Lok Sabha Natura Parliamentary seat Saleng ulaong bayakata an hap ban raishwa bat kinong yalam bah khamat kaseng lambat kipat ba bat kumjuru na kinong yalam balang habakali la unong yalam barim kaseng Congress Negaro Hills u Dr. Mukul Sangma ubala phetno hashwa ka election hakisnam baladab nakaliang Saleng ulaong ba umkwa ban kran AA yakibriu kibala phet na kaseng
Thank you. So, a few words on your grand victory, because you have created history, you've created a new record, you're a giant killer. So what are your thoughts on your victory?
It's a total miracle for us actually. We never expected that we will be winning with this huge margin, but it seems like there is a divine intervention and I want to praise the Lord for that.
What is your message to the people of Garo Hills? Because you have won nearly in all the 24 constituencies.
Since they have already had a hope with me, I'll definitely try to deliver whatever I can with truth and then, sincerity.
What do you think the factors behind your resounding victory? Because we have never seen such kind of victory from a person who's outside the family of PS Sangma.
I think they need a change. Maybe that's the reason why. Because it's very, very long time that nobody could have changed them. But it's the people who have, made their choice and then they have decided to, take a change.
Mr. Sangma, you walked in confidently this morning when I saw you. Did you see all of this coming?
Yeah, because the God was with me. Right. Of course, when God was with me, definitely everybody will have that confidence.
Right.
Not only me.
So there's obviously anti-incumbency, right, on the sitting MP at the moment. Why do you think that's happening?
I won't say anti-incumbency or, a sort fall like that. But if the people's willing to change, definitely they do the change.
And who do you attribute this big win to, sir?
Public, and then all those workers like Madam Devora, Auntie Ferlin, all of them. And then, first of all, I would like to give my condolences those who has already, those who are not here even after the voting.
Right. And
okay. I just want to give my special condolences to those family also, those who could not see the outcome of their voting also. I feel really sad, and then I send across my message to all those family, like more than 20-30, I think so.
So, sir, I don't want to talk politics right now, but still there are some issues that, the present MP did not raise in the parliament. What are some of those issues that you would address probably when you hit the lower house?
There are lots of issues actually that needed to be and I will discuss with my people. Then only I will bring all those things, especially on the floor of the house.
And my final question, sir, how do you plan to celebrate this big win?
Of course, by praising the Lord. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Congratulations.
People are already celebrating.
Mr. Saleng, ever since you contested elections in 2008, you have never lost any election, despite many ups and downs, despite militant attacks. yet you have stood strong. And today's victory has proven yet again that you are now a tall leader in the Garo Hills region. So what is the secret behind your success and victories in all these elections?
My prayer. I've said this before and I will say it now also. My prayer. So that's the whole, strength. And then that's what's keeping me.
Do you think with your victory there'll be any change in the political scenario in Meghalaya?
We'll see. We'll talk along with my leaders, along with the public and along with the church leaders and all. So we'll look into that matter.
And will we see the former Congress leaders who have left the Congress before the elections coming
I don't
back?
want to talk about them actually,
Okay.
since they have already left.
Okay. Thank you.
हाय आदि भाई बेटा आज से नीति कर रहा नीति मत हाय हाय मारो कुंदे ओए बेनी ओए बेनी सब ये सब